Hello students, I am Dr. J. Rangamani, Professor of Ahmed Business School. Today we are going to discuss about types of ships for various cargoes. Let us move on. Ships are classified into four major categories, that is, ships which carry people, also called as cruise ship, ships which carry different varieties of cargoes, also called as cargo ships, ships which are used for specialized purposes, then ships that keep service lane open. Our focus in today's session will be on cargo ships. Let us discuss about general cargo ships first. General cargo ships are classified into break bulk cargo ship and unit load ship. The unit load ship can also be called as liner ship. When the cargoes are packed and transported in small quantities, also called as pallets, then the process is called as break bulk. The ships which carries break bulk cargoes can be called as break bulk ships. There are three types of break bulk ships. They are conventional break bulk cargo ships, reefer cargo ships, and heavy lifters. Conventional general cargo ship. In this category of conventional general cargo ship, all kinds of cargoes which are packed in small quantities can be transported. For example, sugar, rice in bags, drums, etc. The ship is equipped with own cargo gears, also called as cranes or derrick cranes, and also with winches. This can be seen in the picture. In the picture, you can see the variety of cargoes that are stowed into the ship under general cargo. Moving on to reefer ships. Reefer ships are generally used to carry perishable cargoes such as fruits, meat, vegetables, etc. Cargoes which require temperature to be maintained in the ship are transported through reefer ships. Heavy lifters. Typically, over-dimensional cargoes or project cargoes are transported through heavy lifters. Heavy lift vessels are quite amazing vessels, as you can see in the picture. Heavy lifters are built to carry and discharge large, unusual shaped cargoes, or even smaller vessels that will simply not fit inside the holes of conventional vessels. Heavy lifters are shaped quite unlike any other cargo vessels. In this picture, you can see an oil rig platform that is being transported by using a heavy lifter. Now we are going to discuss about the ships which carry unit load cargoes. Unit load means the cargoes which are transported as individual units, that is the container cargo or vehicle. Container cargoes are transported through container ships and vehicles are transported through ro-ro ships. Typically, smaller units are transported through barges. Barges look like boats. Container ships. Container ships obviously carry containers. Cargo damages and theft can be minimized when cargoes are transported through container ships. There are different types of containers available through which cargoes can be transported. There are two standardized ISO containers, which are called as 20-foot container and 40-foot container. With regard to container operation, loading and discharging of containers would be faster. Much more than that, multiple modes of transportation can be effectively used. That is, containers can be carried through ships, containers can be carried through trucks, containers can be carried through railway wagons. So container ships carry container cargoes at a faster pace. When the containers are loaded onto the ship, one container is loaded onto another container. That is, containers are stacked one above the other and then lashed. Lashing means tying of the containers. So typically spreaders are used for loading and unloading of these box containers. The ships may have cranes to load the container or may not have cranes to load and discharge the containers. Lash, also called as lighter aboard ship. Lash system refers to the practice of loading barges or lighters aboard a bigger vessel for transport. It was developed in response to a need to transport lighters, a type of unpowered barge between inland waterways separated by open seas. Lighters are typically towed or pushed around harbors, canals, or rivers and cannot be relocated under their own power. The carrier ships are also variously called as lash carriers or barge carriers. As you can see in this picture, CBs, container barges, containers are stacked one above the other. The CBs may not have an engine. Suppose if the CBs don't have an engine, then it will be pulled by a tugboat. Roll on and roll off ships. Whenever the vehicles are to be carried, then roll on and roll off ships will come into the picture. The roll on and roll off ships are used to carry vehicles which can be driven onto the ship directly from the jetty and driven off from the ship. Typically, the ram doors will be available on the side or in the front portion or in the aft portion of the ship. That is in the forward portion of the ship or in the reverse portion of the ship. Different levels of decks provided for loading vehicles and hydraulic doors fitted to access different decks are provided. Car carrier is a type of ro-ro ship. As you can see in the picture, the cars are driven into the ship and driven out. That is the reason it is called as ro-ro. There are two types of ro-ros. One is called as PCC, pure car carrier, and another one is called as PCTC, that is built to carry pure cars and trucks. The vehicles are handled by experienced stevedores. Some of the pictures of PCCs. As you can see in the picture, most portion of the ship is above the water. So pure car carriers or even ro-ro ships are considered to be really dangerous to navigate in the high seas. Now let us discuss about bulk cargoes. Bulk cargoes are categorized into two major types. One is called as liquid bulk cargo and another one is called as dry bulk cargo. The examples of liquid bulk cargoes are crude oil, petroleum products, chemicals, LPG and LNG. And the example for dry bulk cargoes are iron ore, aluminium ore like bauxite, coal, timber, cement, and other forms of dry bulk cargoes. Let us. What you can see on the picture is a typical oil tanker which carries liquid cargo, liquid bulk cargo. It is like one single ship carrying one single cargo. So the entire ship carries only one type of cargo, that is the crude oil. Chemical carriers. Tankers which carry chemicals in bulk can be called as chemical carriers. Highly corrosive cargoes are transported through chemical carriers. Typically, chemical carriers carry dangerous chemicals in bulk form. Gas carriers. Gas carriers or gas carrying ships will have a unique appearance, a dome-like appearance. The LNG carrier, liquefied natural gas, and LPG carrier, liquefied petroleum gas, are the products of the late 20th century. Huge amount of cargoes are transported through dry bulk carriers, also called as bulkers. Dry bulk carriers carry dry bulk cargoes such as iron ore, coal, grains, scrap metal, sulfur, and other dry bulk cargoes. Typically, the cargoes are loaded through the holes, as you can see in the self-loader system. So different holes are loaded with the cargoes, dry bulk cargoes, and it will be covered with a hatch cover. The self-unloader depicts how the cargoes are discharged from the ship, that is unloaded from the ship. Typically, self-unloaders are frequently used in bulk carriers. Passenger ships. The ships which carry people are called as cruise ships. There are a variety of cruise ships available in the world which carry people from one place to another place. Now let us discuss about the ships which keep service lane open. The ships which keep service lane open can be categorized into 4 different categories. That is tugboats, dredgers, icebreakers, and reservoirs. What you can see on the picture is a tugboat. There are 2 types of tugboats. One is called as pull tug and push tug, used to pull and push the ship. Dredgers. Dredgers are ships that are usually engaged in the dredging of sand and gravel from the sea for commercial use, or the maintenance of channels in the rivers or harbors, and the dumping of soil. Icebreakers are used to cut through the ice, and research ships are frequently used to do research on the mid-ocean. So today we touched upon 4 different types of ships: the ships which carry people, the ships which carry cargo, specialized ships, and the ships which will keep the service lane open. Thank you.